What is up, guys? Couple of good news. This is an update. As you can see, I'm not sure if I'm gonna point the camera down a bit. Yeah, my foot's still in a cast. Yes. Anyway, two good news. The first good news is that the case is almost over. As in, the traffic police have already deemed that the case was entirely the fault of the lorry driver that cut in front of me. So I'm gonna be expecting an insurance payout. I'm not sure if this is something to be happy about because my DRZ was originally bought with insurance payout money that I got from like my second accident where a car hit me. So this is a bloody stupid joke because it seems that never mind, it is gonna be a bit weird. Anyway, the other good news is that I finally got back my bike because it's all covered by insurance. It's pretty much in even better condition than when I just bought it myself. So I'm gonna show it to you. Yeah, my bike is back. So originally the accident only damaged a few things. It wasn't a huge damage. It only broke one of my mirrors off, one of my signal lights, front signal lights that is, and then damaged my left hand grip, and not much else. Pretty much everything was fine. But the funny thing is, the good news that I wanted to say was that when I got back the bike, I was surprised at how much the workshop changed. Of course, the reason why it's no longer in the distinct RP colors, the yellow purple colors anymore, is because they went and replaced nearly every single plastic panel on the bike. Okay, so not only did they replace my front signal lights as a pair, they replaced my handguard and mirrors. They also got me a entirely brand new tank. As I'm gonna hop a bit. As you can see, at the top of the tank and the right side of the tank, there's like no more rust marks, no like rough patches. Originally, my tank was super rough because there was rust. So when I got it back and I saw it was flat, it was smooth, I was like, oh my god, did they just give me an entirely new fuel tank, an entirely new set of side panels? They even gave me a new rear panel and rear side panels because this was originally damaged. There was a crack, there's a dent here, and this is basically brand new. It's freaking amazing. Not only that, when I bought it, this was also a bit bent, and they replaced this with, I think, looks. This is definitely not mine. It looks like they took it off a scrapped DRZ and then replaced mine with that. So amazingly, I'm going to be selling this bike, and it's newer than it's in a newer condition than when I even bought it in the first place and spent like several $100s to refurbish the goddamn thing. Anyway, I realized that in all my videos, I have never really shown you guys what my GPR exhaust sounds like. It's probably, out of all the bikes I've ever owned or ridden, it's probably got the exhaust sound that I love the most. And even in my DRZ review video where this pipe was on, I didn't really even show it very well. So I'm gonna be recording the exhaust sound, and then you guys can enjoy it while it lasts, because DRZs with GPR exhaust is freaking rare, not just in Singapore where there's a lot of exhaust like regulations, but it seems like it's hardly used even in the US where DRZs are everywhere. So enjoy the sound clip